Hello everybody. I'm going to go through one of our very last assignments. This is posted in Module 15 and it is meant to evaluate your strengths and weaknesses using the exam objectives. In your first module, Resources, where we post everything that is pertinent and permanent, you can go up there and you are going to find the exam objectives for CompTIA 10007. We've dealt with these before, and so that should not be an issue. And what you need to do is review the 5 domains of the exam objectives, and then you need to evaluate 5 strengths that you found in there, and I want you to look at them all. You need to really do a deep dig on this and look at them all and figure out what 5 things are you really good at now, particularly since we're at the end of the semester. When we looked in the beginning, you may not have been as strong. Then document those 5 and list them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and put them into and answer each, list them, and you need to use at least 2 to 3 sentences for each one of the 5. So please be clear to take your time and be thorough. This is a very important assignment. Secondly, I did give you an example here, and then the second thing you're going to need to do is submit weaknesses in the same evaluation process that you did with your strengths. I want you to take this seriously. It's 40 points, and when you complete your upload, then submit it, and off we go.